Hey guys, it's Amanda back with another video, and today we are doing this Halloween butterfly hair and makeup look. Today's video is in partnership with Walmart, and everything you see here I ordered from walmart.com. If you can believe it, I scored this whole butterfly makeup bundle for only $11.89, and I was able to do this entire look. So if that price intrigues you and you like this look, you're gonna love this tutorial. For spooky season, Walmart has a Halloween beauty section where there's tons of different bundles and items at your fingertips, so it's super easy to find a costume whether you're staying in or going out. So without further ado, let's fly into this tutorial. Alright guys, so let's get started with our butterfly Halloween look. I have my package here from walmart.com and I ordered everything to complete this look, and I'm going to be showing you guys what's in this box. So first and foremost, this first item that I ordered is actually going to be like our whole costume. This bundle has everything in it, so I'm going to show you guys what came in this, and this actually is called the Butterfly Halloween Bundle. So the first thing in this bundle is a Wet n Wild paint palette. As you can see, it has all the different colors to create your butterfly. Next up in this bundle, we have some Wet n Wild face gems, and you can use these to accessorize your look, just to add a little bit more razzle dazzle to your butterfly. Next in the bundle are 3 different colors of multi-sticks. These pretty much look like they're going to be like larger face painting crayons, so you can really do more detail, and we have black, white, and red. Next up we have the Wet n Wild paint pot. This is going to be black face paint, so you can cover a large area or just do some detailing. The last 2 things in the package is a Wet n Wild lipstick. This is called Vamp It Up. And lastly, we have a Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. So this is the makeup look that Walmart featured on their butterfly makeup bundle, and I think I'm gonna recreate or do something similar to this. I love how they had one eye with the butterfly wing and the other eye was super glam, and we have all the tools to do it, so let's go ahead and get started. So to create the shape of the butterfly wing, I'm gonna be taking an eyebrow pencil. This is the Revlon ColorStay Brow Creator. So I'm gonna use my creative freedom and just go ahead and stencil in what I think looks like a butterfly wing, and then we're gonna go in with the face paints and start to fill it in and create our shapes and colors. Alright, so we have our basic shape down thanks to Google, a little Google search with some butterfly wings, and we got it going. I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild multi-stick in black and start outlining my wing, and then we're gonna go ahead and do some shading with the actual face palette and do some reds and orange and yellow and really make this butterfly pop. So I'm going to take a flat brush and dip it into my paint color and then start decorating my butterfly. Now I'm going to go in with my orange and start to do an ombre with the orange and red. One tip I would definitely recommend doing while blending is instead of dragging your brush, you're actually going to just pat up and down, and that made it very easy for the creamy colors to just kind of blend all together and make this ombre look. Our butterfly is coming along. So I have all the base colors done, which was so easy to do, and this palette was super blendable, super pigmented, and very easy to use. So next, what I think I'm gonna do is go in and do a little bit more detailing and do kind of like those black lines that are on a traditional butterfly. So here we have our butterfly almost complete. This was definitely the most intricate part, but I basically just put lines down. There really wasn't any rhyme or reason. Just wanted it to be butterfly-esque, but you guys can really have full creative control over how exactly you want your butterfly to look. So the next thing I'm gonna do is really quickly finish it up. I'm going to put some of my face gems around the butterfly. I'm gonna apply my lashes, and that's gonna be it for this side. Next, I grabbed some lashes. These are the Extension Seeker 3D Curl Multi-Dimensional Tapered Tipped Lashes. We are done with this eye. It looks pretty bomb to me. I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments. And we're gonna move on to this other eye. So I'm gonna keep it fairly simple since I spent so much time on our main event right here. First, I'm gonna take my black multi-stick and I'm going to use this as the base. Done with the other eye. What I did was basically do the smoky eye and then I added some red shadow around the face just to give it a little bit more depth, but it was honestly very, very easy, very simple as you guys saw me do it. Just taking some shadows and blending it out. Now, last but not least, almost last, we have to do the hair, but we're gonna be doing the lips, and I think I'm just gonna go for a straight up black lipstick. I am again going to use my multi-stick for the lips. Lastly, we're gonna move on to the hair. I'm gonna be doing a tight pony with a little bit of those bubble braids in it. So first I'm gonna start with my Not Your Mother's Blonde Moment Seal and Protect Leave-In, which is also from Walmart, and I'm gonna be spraying this all over just to add a little bit more moisture, and then we're going to slick it back. Next, I'm going to be taking some of my Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Frizz Control Sculpting Gel, and I'm going to be slicking down any flyaways, and I'm also going to add this to my ponytail to kind of slick it down a little bit. Then I'm going to be taking these small rubber bands and putting them into my hair to make like a bubble effect. So basically what you want to do is put the elastic around a section of the hair, separate this section and pull the rest of your hair through, then continue and do that all the way down the ponytail. To finish up our Walmart Halloween look, I added some butterfly clips, and I also added our TRESemmé gold glitter spray that I picked up from Walmart just to add a little bit more oomph to the look. And we are done, guys. And just like that, we are done with my Halloween butterfly hair and makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This look was so much fun to do, and everything that I needed was in one kit. I will link everything that I used today down below in my description box, so you guys have plenty of time to go pick them up for your Halloween looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy Halloween!